This is DJI Mini 5 Pro, and today I'll show how you can switch on or switch off the overexposure warning feature on this drone. So first, let's overexpose the viewfinder to see how it looks without this warning. So now the warning is switched off. Now let's go into the device's settings. On top, select the camera category, scroll down, and specifically look for the overexposure warning. So switch it on, and now as you can see, the zones of the viewfinder that are overexposed are very, very explicitly shown or covered with this little pattern, which means that if we'll get the exposure back to normal, those lines should disappear, right? Yep, just a few zones left that are overexposed. Now to switch it off, you just do all the same steps: settings, camera, scroll down, but now switch toggle off. And that's it. So should you have any further questions, do not hesitate to use the comment section below this video. But as for now, thanks for watching, and bye bye.